guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are out in the night. This guy is asking me, sorry guys, welcome back to the channel. So we want to eat out. Our hotel is just somewhere down there. So welcome back to the channel. My name is Sophia. This is the first time on my channel. You are highly welcome. So this is a travel vlog. So we want to eat something and we're outside, okay? This is 11:11 in the night in Turkey. That's like about 8 something, right? Or 9 something in UK, right? 9 something in UK. Yeah, that's like 9 something, 9:12 in UK time. Okay. So I ordered some stuff, ordered some food. I like their nightlife so far. The hotel is not far from here. It's actually at my back, which is really good. I think the intro is too long, so let me show you guys around a little bit. So that's my daughter pressing her phone. So got some other hotels here actually, and some restaurants. Yeah, this is another hotel. See, and over there they have more hotels on the other side than there. So we went to the shop and we got some water and this nut. So got this in the shop. I forgot to vlog. I was going to start the vlog actually and show you guys the shop. And they take dollars. They take dollars. So I think I need to go and change my pounds into dollars. Also change it into their money as well, because I don't know if we are getting a good deal or not, because I don't know the money. So we are just buying anything buyable just to eat. And Precious is here waiting for the food. So we just want to eat something before we go to bed. Yeah?
It's going to take me a while to fall asleep.
Yeah, because we are very tired, so it's going to be a while before we fall asleep. It's going to take us a while before we fall asleep. Yeah, but I'm loving the nightlife so far. So this is nightlife on our holiday. We are a bit afraid and scared of exploring because the day is gone. We don't want to get lost.
That's you.
Wait, that's me, according to Precious.
That's not me. I'll explore for days.
According to Precious, she wants to explore. She wants to explore, but for me, I don't want to walk too fast so that we don't end up mixing our. I don't want to, so that we don't miss our hotel, because we are new here and it's night. You know, night you don't tend to see a lot of places very well, so it's better. Tomorrow someone is coming to take us around. Someone is coming to take us around tomorrow, so yeah. And tomorrow we'll do more vlog, and I'll take you guys around and show you guys. Okay? Yeah. So when the food come, I'll show you guys the food. Okay? Okay, guys, our food is here.
Wait.
So we have some fries, some rice, some vegetables. I'm trying to avoid vegetables. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, guys, this is our food. We have some bread. This one. And we have this. Okay? So that's our food. Let's eat. Precious, don't give that cat anything.